Good morning and welcome to another macro video. One macro that some people have found troublesome on occasion is MultiFileText. So I've made a couple of changes to try to help. Most of the changes are internal to the macro, but the main visible change is that it now shows you clearly the names of the files as they're loaded so that you can see that the macro is making progress. This is to try to avoid the temptation of clicking on the screen to see what's happening, because as I try to stress, clicking on the screen while a macro is running can cause it to go wrong. In fact, I now actually think that even moving the mouse around without clicking can cause problems. Anyway, let's just show you how it looks now. So if we run the macro MultiFileText, then we get a filer and we can navigate to the folder we want. In this case it's the main text file. So these are my files. Click on any one of those and click open, and it creates a list of all the files. I can say yes, I want to collect all of them, and it will do so, or I can say no, and I can then rearrange the files or delete some or whatever. So suppose I want to move that file down to the end there, and then if I run the macro again, MultiFileText, run, collect from this list, yes, that's right. So it goes through, and as you can see at the top there, it's giving you the names of the files as it loads them so that you can see how the thing is progressing. Gets to the end, and then it says use find forward to check that all files have been included. Okay, so it's highlighted the set of square brackets there that I use just as a sort of marker around the file name, so I can use find forward to go through from, there's chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4 and appendices, so they're all there. But finally, just say that if the macro thinks that something might have gone wrong, you'll get a second message saying, warning, all files might not have been included. And if you get this, just make doubly sure that all the files really are there. So that's it. Thank you. See you again soon.